Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by protecting your work. Save a backup so you can undo mistakes later. Next, select the precise range or click a cell inside your table. This ensures Excel targets only intended rows. Then, go to the Data tab and open Remove Duplicates. Make sure My Data Has Headers is checked if you have column titles. You're now positioned to choose which columns drive duplicate detection, so proceed to select them carefully. Once done with selection, you choose which columns define a duplicate. Pick the minimum set to avoid deleting unique info. If you prefer a non-destructive route, use Advanced Filter to copy unique records elsewhere, or use the Unique function in Office 365 to produce a distinct list. Make sure to preview counts. A quick COUNTIF column helps you see how many duplicates exist before removal. These steps let you control results and prevent accidental deletions. You finish by verifying outcomes. Sort key columns and scan several rows to confirm uniqueness, then save the cleaned workbook while retaining the backup for safety. If something looks off, undo immediately or restore the backup and try again with a different column set. If duplicates persist, check for hidden spaces or inconsistent data types. Apply trim, clean, or text to columns and convert text numbers to numeric values. Then rerun, remove duplicates to resolve lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.